Villaluz with a good first ball. Siya ang papalo. Rogelia. Down the line hit.
Chat mo na nga ako diya.
Good up by Lopez. Rogelia. Hermanon. Villaluz. Rogelia. To surge at the service area. Oh. Rogelia. Cameron na naman.
Change court 5-2 UST.
Left it short. Villaluz. Check ball. Lopez underhand set. Maylon. Two here. Villaluz. Cross court. 1 point separating these two teams. Maylon. Lopez. Got up by Villaluz. Cameron. Lopez again. Lovely job. Good serve. Villaluz. Lopez will set it up. Maylon. Jouts at the net. Net touch. Laban his. Actually, 1-0 pala kanina.
Change court 8-6 FEU.
Lumabas. SM by the Bay. Pero mainit ang pakmaman natin ngayon.
Batay isa!
Rogelia and Lopez. Rogelia reloads. Off speed. It's good.
Wow!
Short ball. Villaluz. Naliangat. Kay Maylon. Oh, sharp hit. 11-9 now. FEU din naman. Make that 11-10. After our
change court 11-10 FEU.
Set number 2. How would these two teams respond? Lopez had to adjust. Medyo mahangin na. It's gonna be a factor for our players here. Villaluz. Lopez rises. And a good take from Rogelia. Lopez one more time. Short. Nice serve there from Rogelia. Maylon. Chance ball for Ustek. Villaluz. Drop ball. Maylon. The up there with Rogelia. Lopez. Oh. Lopez underhand set. Yeah. Villaluz will set it up. Rogelia. Power hit. Dug up. Kyle to Cameron. Ang ganda naman nun. She went up. Maylon puts it in. Villaluz drops it again.
Change score 15-13 UST.
Oh. Naitawid. Villaluz. Lopez sets it up for Maynod. Ay angat ni Villaluz. The tip at the corner. Lopez, the adjustment again. Rogelia. Naitawid. Maynod, mabawi. Good rally so far. Villaluz. Maynod. Long. Cameron. To Kylem. Push shot. It's good. Villaluz sets it up. Rogelia. And she wins that joust at the net. Can they get it done here? Rogelia. Upset. Villaluz. Rogelia, no more. Oh! Lopez. Rogelia, 1-2.
Change court, 1916 UST.
Last run in the that's Lopez. Binigay kay Premaylon. Oh, that's a sorry miss right there. And what a win! What a tournament for the University of San Carlos. Congratulations to this Espanya-based squad.
21-17 UST champion.
Kylan Rogelia, Cal Villaluz, and Griffy Gada. Wala pong patalo-talo. And they remain unscathed. And they win the championship in the UAP Season 86.